AC drives is one of the profiles which comes under automation sector. So AC drives are of different manufacturers, which is Allen Bradley, then Skender, then Yaskawa, then Siemens, ABB, and Delta. So these are different kind of manufacturers of AC drives. Now practical exposure on variable frequency drives. So variable frequency means changing frequency. Now introduction to AC drives. So this is a basic thing which we will uh, understand and study in AC drive profile. Now selection criteria of drives for a particular application. That means for a particular application which drive to select. So this is selection criteria. Now configuration of different motor. That means uh, configuration, that means its calibration, or that means its specifications. So these are configuration of different motors. Then parameters for drives. Now remote and local operation of variable speed drives. So that means remote means from a long distance, so that is remote operation. Now communication of drives with PLC. That means how these drives, that means AC drives, are communicating with PLC. Now study of different operational methods of troubleshooting. The case, so that means if something goes wrong, then what we have to do, that comes under troubleshooting section. Now case study and different applications on drives in industry. That means applications of drives in a industry. Now there comes another section which is industrial networking in automation sector. Now it includes introduction to industrial networking, then introduction to commonly used network protocols which are field bus, then Profibus, Modbus, Ethernet, control net, HART communication. Now practical sessions on Modbus and Profibus protocols, and then troubleshooting. So industrial networking comes with, it includes these kind of things. Induction module instrumentation system. So this comes under automation sector. Now basics of instrumentation, which is field instrumentation. Now second is temperature measurement. Third is pressure and flow measurement. Fourth is technical advancement in instrumentation. Then data acquisition and control system, and then control systems.